This lesson is all about comparing whole numbers up to 10 million using greater than and less than. So when comparing whole numbers, we first compare the number of digits. So for these two numbers, the top number has 6 digits. The number below it has 5 digits. This means the top number must be larger as it has more digits. And remember, the widest part of the symbol goes closest to the biggest number. If the numbers have the same amount of digits, we compare the digits in the column on the left-hand side. The number that has the largest digit on the left-hand side is the largest number. So in the case of the numbers above, the top number has a 4 in the millions column, whereas the number underneath has a 6. This means that the number underneath is larger. If both digits are the same, we look at the next column from the left-hand side.